Yes, so how are you doing, Bhavik? How's it going?
Doing
Yes.
doing good. As of marriage, got busy and got stuck up in everything. Just got
Okay.
free from everything, ma'am.
When did
So
you get
back to
married?
routine,
When did you get married?
ma'am. It was on December 20th.
Okay, congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
All right, all right. So my team
Same
told
here.
me, yeah, my team told me you did a lot of struggle for this one-on-one session. Yeah, so finally you're here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, ma'am.
All right.
Yeah, just needed a little boost up, ma'am.
Okay.
My website is ready,
All right.
but my content, I'm just finding difficult in making content.
All
So how
right.
do I proceed further?
So you want guidance on content, is it?
Everything, ma'am. As of now, my website is just what is ready is my website.
All right.
Yeah, ma'am.
So,
Now, how do
okay.
I further make my international clients? How do I pitch them? What is my business scale like? What will my profit motive? Is it
All right.
only ethical hacking? Yeah, website designing, every total business plan.
All right. Okay.
So, ma'am, the services what I'm providing is I can make either make logos for the company. I
Yes.
can either
Correct.
make the website for the companies. Okay, these are
Correct.
the services I'm providing, right? And charge for them.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Yeah, the
So,
website and the logos.
so you just
Okay,
have two services, websites and logo, is it?
yeah, ma'am.
What services is your company offering? Tell me.
Ma'am, that as of now, I'm planning of making logos,
Yeah.
making their websites,
Yeah.
content marketing, planning of content marketing. Obviously, for content marketing, I'll make the content and give it to them. I'll
All
make the
right.
whole website ready and give it to them.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now,
and
yeah. Yeah. I'll tell you what happens is, usually, okay. Do you understand what's a niche? Okay. A niche is a
yeah,
particular market. Okay. A particular small market. Okay. So when you start out as a startup entrepreneur, where most of entrepreneurs go wrong is they take five, six things all together and start, include their business in five to six domains and services and start marketing there. Okay, it
yeah, ma'am.
never works like that, because if you are selling six different things, you won't be able to focus on all the six things. Why? Especially because when you're a startup. Okay, so when you're just starting out, pick one or maximum two or three products only. Focus on those. You have to narrow down your focus, narrow down your investments, whichever you're going to do in ads, narrow down your marketing strategies to one or two particular product market niche. So here, I don't want you to, list down 10 services, 10 different digital marketing services in your website. You need to select only maximum two or three services. Do your entire research. Who is the leading company in that particular market? Who is my competitor? Who is the best company that is selling that particular service that I am planning to sell? All of these difficult questions, you need to have the answers. Okay, so that is the reason I asked you that what all services you are selling on your website. So I'll
Yes,
tell you a small thing. So if you remember Apple, right? Steve Jobs. So how it happened, they kicked out Steve Jobs from his own company. So it was a long backstory. So when they brought him back to the company, okay, to lead Apple again. So Apple was founded by Steve Jobs. I mean, co-founded. Okay, but then eventually, after the investors coming in, he was out of the company. The board of directors kicked him out of the company. But then the company started to stumble. Okay, and then they got Steve Jobs back. Do you know what is the first thing he did after coming to that company? The first thing he did, Apple at that point of time had a variety of products, like around, I don't know, 70 to 100 product lines, different products. What he did was, from 70 to 100, he reduced it down under 10 products. Are you trying to
yes,
get what I'm trying to tell you? And
yeah.
he told a
The price
number,
point and everything.
exactly, the number one reason why the company was failing in his absence was simply because the company's focus, the company's investments, the company's strategies, company energy was diverted all over the place. It was a mess. So they needed to narrow down their niche. So only few products, he narrowed it down from 70 to 100 products, and he asked the entire Apple team to just focus on marketing these products and nothing else. So what happened is, after that thing, Apple became a monopoly. Rest is history. Correct? Apple became a monopoly. After that, only Apple started to bring out one new product, which is MacBook, this AirPod. After that, they started expanding. I hope you got it. Yes. So this is exactly where most of the entrepreneurs go wrong. Okay, in the start only, they what they think is, if I include 10 100 services in my company, it's a business development company, so I will include 10 services, and I will get a variety of options and someone will come and pay. It doesn't work like that. You have to stand for something. Okay, you and your company should stand for something. It will be actually really best for you, if you just change your business model and stick to just one service. Either you make it a website development service, or you make it a copywriting service, or you just make it a graphic designing service. Under graphic designer, you can give out logos, cover letters, do different kind of designs. So I would very much recommend you to, just focus, just make your website all about one service. Because when people know about your brand, right, they should know what your brand stands for. If your brand provides 10 100 different services, the vision is not clear. Your brand, what it stands for, what it provides, it should be very clear. For it to be very clear, you just need to stick to very few things.